In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Discord 64-bit. Whether you're looking to enhance your gaming experience, streamline your communication, or simply immerse yourself in the vast world of Discord communities, having the 64-bit version enables a smoother performance on compatible systems. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Firstly, to get started, you'll need to visit the official Discord website. It's important to go directly to their official platform to ensure you're downloading the genuine software and not some third-party version that could potentially harm your device. Once you're on the Discord homepage, the design is quite intuitive. You'll easily find a lot of information about Discord and its features, but for our purposes, you want to focus on getting the download. The next step is to locate the Download for Windows button. This is typically found in a prominent spot on the page, considering Windows is among the most widely used operating systems for Discord users. Clicking this button takes you closer to getting the Discord version that suits your system's specifications. Now, while the standard Discord download works fine for most, those seeking the 64-bit version should direct their attention to the Download Public Test Build link. This isn't the usual route for many users, but it's the golden path for those looking to leverage the additional capabilities and potentially newer features offered by the 64-bit version. The Public Test Build, or PTB, is essentially the beta version of Discord where updates and new functionalities are introduced first. Not only does it give you early access to shiny new features, but it also allows you to contribute to the app's development through feedback. Then, the crucial part of our journey. Selecting Windows 64-bit. This option ensures you're downloading the version that's optimized for 64-bit Windows operating systems. It's a simple step, but one that makes all the difference in ensuring the software runs smoothly and efficiently on your machine. Downloading the 64-bit version of Discord isn't just about following a set of instructions. It's about choosing the best version for your system's architecture. A 64-bit system can handle more data at once, meaning your Discord experience should be faster and more reliable, especially if you're using the app alongside resource-intensive games or software. Throughout this process, it's crucial to be patient. Depending on your internet connection, the download can take a few minutes. Once the download completes, the installation process is pretty straightforward. Double-click on the downloaded file and follow the prompt to install Discord on your system. The installer typically handles everything for you, so you don't need to worry about advanced configurations or settings. After the installation, it's all about personalizing your Discord experience. You can log in or sign up, join servers, personalize your profile, adjust your settings for optimal performance, and start connecting with friends and communities. Discord offers a plethora of customization options from notification settings to themes, ensuring you can truly make the platform your own. As a last piece of advice, keep an eye on Discord updates. Since you're on the public test build, you'll receive updates more frequently. These can contain exciting new features, but be aware they might also introduce bugs or stability issues, as they haven't been as widely tested as the stable releases. It's a small price to pay for staying on the cutting edge, but something to consider. To wrap things up, you've just walked through the steps of downloading and installing the 64-bit version of Discord through its public test build. This version is ideal for anyone looking to maximize their Discord experience through enhanced performance and early access to new features. Remember, the process is straightforward, but the key is to follow each step carefully to ensure you're getting the proper version for your system. Dive in, explore, and enjoy the rich, vibrant communities and conversations that await you on Discord. Happy chatting.